The GIGABYTE GeForce RTX 5070 AERO OC delivers excellent performance for modern games and creative workloads, thanks to its advanced Blackwell-based graphics processor and deep learning supersampling technology. Its 12 GB graphics memory, based on next-generation graphics double data rate 7 and a 192-bit bus, gives plenty of headroom for high-resolution textures and heavy content creation projects. Support for Personal Computer Interface Express 5.0 ensures ample bandwidth and some future-proofing for upcoming platforms and demanding applications. The custom factory overclock provides a small but noticeable boost in frame rates compared with reference designs without requiring any manual tuning. GIGABYTE's multi-fan cooling solution with large heatsink and optimized airflow keeps temperatures and noise levels under control even during long gaming or rendering sessions. The clean white aesthetic and subtle lighting make this card a strong choice for visually focused builds that still prioritize reliable high-end performance.